While you partner with your corner too. As you promenade, you go halfway round. Walk in and pass the ocean. Ping pong circulate. Ping pong circulate. Extend. Swing through. Girls fold. Peel the top. Boys move up and square through three. You're facing out. Chase right. Now single hinge and fan the top. Girls 3/4, boys move up. Got a long tidal wave. Long tidal wave. Put the girls in the middle of each wave. Put the girls in the middle of each wave. There you go. Do a grand swing through. Boys run around the nearest girl. Crossfire. Do a single hinge and boys ought to have hands. And boys trade. Boys run around the girls. Now bend this line up to the middle and back you go. Now touch a quarter. Coordinate. Bend this line right left through. Pass the ocean here. Girls trade. Swing through. Boys trade. Boys run around this girl. Couples circulate. You Ferris wheel into the middle and go. The centers pass through out and left. All eight spin the top. When you beat her, spin it again. Beat her again, turn through. Out and left. Come back and square your head if you're close enough. Or promenade towards the future. Bring it toward the back. Sides, lead right. Veer left. Bend this line up to the middle and back. Now slide through. Do a right left through. Step away and swing through. Spin the top. Always move up. A long time away again. Do a grand swing through. Stay in your own square, please. Boys around there's a girl. We'll do this again. Okay. Crossfire. Girls trade, step forward. Boys up there, wait on me. There you go. Okay, good. Do a single hinge. Boys trade. Boys run around that girl. You Ferris wheel in the middle and go. Those centers slide through and back right out. Out and left with the corner. Right in the grand and the right. Oh, they don't you either. Sides, passing ocean. Swing through double. Extend, linear cycle. Load the boat. Slide through and load the boat. Single some of the way. Boys trade. Boys run around this girl and ladies hinge. Center girls trade. Diamond circulate. Flip the diamond. Ladies trade. Recycle. Pass through, trade, touch a quarter on the other side. Follow your neighbor. Do not spread. Boys in the middle. Take a peek and trade away. Swing through. Boys run around this girl and ladies trade. And couples circulate this way. You bend this line up to the middle and back. You pass through, wheel and deal. And double pass through and track two. Swing through.